In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from Google Photos with Date. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Photos at photos.google.com. Once you've arrived at the site, sign in using your Google account credentials. This step is crucial because only signed-in users can access their personal photo libraries. As you log in, you will see your photo library in a visually appealing layout, showcasing all your images. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will help you navigate through the options seamlessly. Now that you are signed in, it's time to find the photos you want by date. There are two effective methods for this. The first method involves scrolling down the timeline on the right side of your screen. This timeline displays years, months, and days, allowing you to find the exact date easily. The second method is to utilize the search bar at the top of the page. You can enter a date in various formats like just the year, such as 2025, or a specific date like July 17, 2025. Choosing the right method depends on how specific you want to be. Either way, you will quickly locate the photos you're looking for. Once you've found the right photos, hover over the date heading, for example, July 17, 2025. As you do this, a check mark will appear, allowing you to select all photos from that date with a single click. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly gathering images from a particular day. If you only want certain photos, you can click on each one individually to select them. This flexibility ensures you can tailor your selection to meet your needs. Next, you should look for the Evo icon, which represents the More menu. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. It's important to find this menu because it holds the download option you need. After clicking the More menu, you will see several choices. Be sure to select Download from this list. This action is crucial as it is the final step to get your photos saved to your device. When you select Download, Google Photos will package your chosen images into a zip file if you selected multiple items. This zip file makes it easier to manage your downloads, especially if you have a large number of photos. You will see a notification confirming that your download has started. This step is reassuring because it ensures that your files are being processed and will soon be available on your computer. If you find yourself needing to download a significant number of photos, consider doing it in a different way. For instance, if you need to download an entire year or a large date range, creating an album with those photos first is often a more efficient approach. After creating the album, you can download it all together, saving time and effort. Alternatively, using Google Takeout to export your entire Google Photos library is another excellent option. This way, you can ensure you have all your cherished memories backed up securely. Now you know how to navigate Google Photos effectively to download your images by date. Each step is designed to streamline the process, making it user-friendly. With your new knowledge, you can easily retrieve your favorite photos from any specific date. Happy downloading!